Hello, amazing community. Renee Marcou here. So excited to share with you that we are in the month of May, which means we are in the May manifesting. So I am releasing a new journal prompt every day to help you gain extra clarity of what it is that your heart is calling you toward this season and what you want to be manifesting, because the universe is absolutely responding to you. It's an amazing month, as I'm sure you're already feeling. Lots of great high vibrational energy and frequencies to tap into to really bring your heart's calling into fruition this month and plant seeds for the near future. So with that being said, please join me over in my Instagram account at Love Beauty Balance. And every day I'm sharing a new journal prompt to help you gain super clear clarity in all areas of your life so that you can be creating magic and loving the life that you are living. So you can find me over there. If you're not on Instagram, you can find me over at the Facebook group, my private community, which is called, and I know many of you are a part of it, it is the Magic of Manifesting Mastermind. And you will also see every day a new post in there as well. So if that calls out to you, for sure, lean in. I also want to let you know that there are some amazing episodes from Namaste with Renee that I definitely want you to check out when you have some free time this week. Amazing guests who came on and so many goodies inside all of the episodes for you. So as you know, I love to surprise and delight. So that's your surprise for this week. I wish you an amazing rest of your week and happy Wellness Wednesday to you. And I look forward to connecting with you soon. Also to the community for becoming a coach or a leader in the wellness industry is still available, open for enrollment. If you are ready to lean in, make sure you do so. I'll include the link below. I look forward to serving you and have an amazing rest of your day. Many blessings.